Hi, I'm Sarah from howtorunaRetailStore.com, and today we are at Dallas Apparel Market, and I want to talk about the number one mistake people make when they come to buy merchandise for their shop. You guys, this may sound simple, but it is truly can be the downfall of your store, not just your buying trip, but your store. This number one mistake is not understanding who your customer is before you start buying merchandise. When you get into a market, there are thousands of vendors, millions of pieces of clothing, and if you don't have a plan, a very clear plan, it can be easy to go off the rails. Why? We all got into this because we love pretty things, don't we? And this entire building is filled with pretty things. But if you just go in and think in those terms, you're gonna end up with a hodgepodge mess of a store. You need to know exactly who you're trying to market to. Is she a bohemian? Is she a surfer girl? Is she more modern and workwear? Is she in her 20s, or is she maybe more in her 40s? If you don't understand her price point, what is that sweet spot, then you are going to be in trouble when you get here. Everything in this building is appealing to someone, and you can easily go way over budget or buy tons of stuff that your customer is going to be like, I don't know about that, if you don't have a plan. I recommend really doing a ton of research on who you want your customer to be, and also what brands resonate with those customers nationwide. I love getting in with some core showrooms because each showroom is going to have several different lines within it, and a lot of times those lines are all geared to a very specific customer. If you haven't seen my tour of Uncommon Showroom, we are going to link that here, but I have 5 or 6 brands just from the Uncommon Showroom. And you want to know why? Because my customer loves all of those brands. They have curated it for a specific customer, so they have done that work for me. And I have several other showrooms that are the exact same way. So no matter who you want your customer to be sure you're shopping for her and not just buying pretty things, and I promise your profit margin will go through the roof and you will make more money across the board. And lastly, you will have longevity because your customer will become a die-hard customer because they know that they can go to your store and know what to expect. All right, that's all for now, but don't forget to like and subscribe. We have new videos that come out every single Friday, so we'll see you soon.